ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning is a software solution that helps organizations manage and streamline their business processes, data, and functions across various departments. It provides a centralized platform where data and processes can be integrated, making it easier for different parts of an organization to collaborate and share information. If we break down the ERP into various components, first comes centralized database. ERP systems have a single unified database that stores data from various departments like finance, HR, sales, inventory, and more. Integration. ERP integrates the different business processes, allowing for real-time data sharing and updates across the organization. Automation. It automates routine tasks and workflows, reducing manual work and errors. Reporting and analytics. ERP provides robust reporting and analytics tools for better decision making. Scalability. It can scale as a company grows, adapting to changing businesses and needs. ERP has been pushed to almost all the industry sectors where the scaling up and the tracking workflows are part of it. Um, Here we are seeing some benefits like streamlined operations where ERP streamlines business processes, eliminating duplication of effort and reducing operational cost, improving efficiency. Automation of tasks lead to the faster and more accurate processes, boosting overall efficiency. Better decision making. Real-time data access and analytics tools enable informed decision making. Enhanced customer service. ERP helps in managing customer data, improving service, and increasing customer satisfaction. Compliance and security. ERP systems often have robust security features and help with regulatory compliance. Inventory management. It enables better inventory control, reducing excess stock and shortages. Financial management. ERP ensures accurate financial reporting and control over financial processes. HR management. It helps in managing employee data, payroll, and other HR functions effectively. Supply chain management. ERP optimizes the supply chain by providing insights into demand, inventory, and production. In summary, ERP systems are essential for modern businesses to effectively manage their complex operations, data, and resources. They provide a holistic view of the organization, improve efficiency, reduce cost, and enable data-driven decision making, ultimately helping companies stay competitive in a fast-paced business environment. In the field of ERP, there exist various and a lot many tools, but I am listing few here, which I googled and I listed out a few which I am coming across. I think SAP is more known to the people, like what the people are doing in the SAP and Salesforce, Oracle, NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and there are many other tools which they use only specific regarding their specific needs and requirements, and most of these services are listed, or most of these company providers are listed because one will understand, okay, what this company doing, what their nature of the company and all, or what their suit and all. So in this Workday and is one of the recently more trending ERP tool. So in upcoming videos we will learn about any one of these tool in detail.